Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HP DeskJet printer to Wi-Fi instant fix step by step clearly. First, ensure your HP DeskJet printer is turned on. Make sure your printer is within range of your Wi-Fi network. On the printer control panel, locate the Wi-Fi icon. Press the Wi-Fi icon to open the wireless settings menu. Select Setup or Network from the menu options. Choose Wireless Setup Wizard from the list. The printer will now search for available networks. Wait for the list of Wi-Fi networks to appear. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. When prompted, enter your Wi-Fi password using the control panel. Double-check your password for accuracy. After entering the password, select Connect. The printer will attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. You can now install the HP Smart app on your computer or mobile device. Open the HP Smart app and select Add Printer. The app will search for your wireless printer. Once detected, select your HP DeskJet printer from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You are now ready to print wirelessly from your devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.